Hi everyone, welcome back to day 26 of the 30 days Power Query Editor Challenge. Yesterday we explored query dependence to see how query are connected. Today we are going to unlock the advanced editor. That is the place where query shows you the behind the scene code that drives all your transformation. Before we go into Power Query Editor Challenge, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click the notification button to receive updates on all the tutorial that we share every week. Now, we are in Power Query Editor Challenge. Why is why advanced query editor, and what is the advanced query editor? Every step you apply in Power Query creates M code in the background, and this advanced editor lets you view them, let you copy or even edit the code directly. So it's like looking under the hood of Power Query Editor. So Advanced Query is the hood of Power Query Editor. Advanced Editor is the hood of Power Query. So now let's do the demo here. Go to into Power Query. You are in Power Query. The first thing I want to do, I want to use this my headers as the first row so that we can. So, okay, let me use it. Use the first row as header. How to use that? So now go into Power Query Editor. Go to Home. I'm in Home tab now. Once you get to Home, you will see Advanced Editor. Click on Advanced Editor. You will see a code windows open. You see let and end syntax. So let defines all the steps. You can see all the steps that we are taking. All the steps that I'm taking, I change the header, change the data type. It's define all the steps, and it tells the Power Query. This ends finally tells the Power Query what to output. So understanding this structure help us to learn to understand what is behind our query. So you can see it's simple. The let or what's it called? Define or your. It's define all the steps that we have taken, and the hint tells Power Query what to output. What to output. That is what. So every step that you have taken, it's like writing a code in Power Query Editor. So every step that you have taken is like you are writing a code, and this is where you see this. So why this advanced or editor? Why is it useful? You can copy and paste query between file. You can quickly edit file, path, or parameter, combine step more efficiently. Or also you can also debug when something breaks. So don't panic too much. You don't have to be an M code expert before knowing how to read it. It gives you more control. So you can also use comment to annotate your M code. If you break the code, you can also close without saving or do changes. So today we've covered advanced editor, what is advanced editor, how to open it, the hem code structure, and why this is useful. Now it's your turn to do the same. You can open your query and explore the code. Try to spot where the query is applying to each step. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.